Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on a Mercedes CLS 2013 diesel. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, the system has to be disarmed in one of two ways, or should I say three ways. Disarmed through a Bluetooth tag, disarmed through a smartphone that has been paired as a Bluetooth tag, or through a push sequence by using buttons on the steering wheel. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you it in an immobilised state. So you see the vehicle won't start. So ignition on, try and start it. There you go, vehicle won't start. Vehicle won't start, okay? So every time you jump in the vehicle now, all you basically do is go through a push sequence. On here I've done something very simple. So main ignition on, no foot on the brake, go through your push sequence, receive a melody, and then start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you have a Bluetooth tag, so every time you jump in a vehicle, as long as the tag is paired up, you'll be able to start the vehicle. So I'm going to quickly put the battery back in the tag to show you, obviously, the tag override disarm. So now I put the battery back in the tag here. So let me just push the button. Green means it's actually paired and it's not in anti-hijack mode or valet mode. So now ignition on, receive your melody and start. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you take the vehicle for a service, you can place it in valet mode. You can do that in one of two ways. You can either use a tag or a smartphone. So to place it in valet mode with the tag, just push and hold it for about 3 seconds till the LED changes state, starts to flash rapidly. Get 2 bleeps and now it's in valet mode, as you can see. 2 orange flashes in valet mode. So now we can just basically start it. Get it, basically no melody, just start it. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, go to the tag, push and hold it for about 3 seconds again till the LED changes state. There you go, starts flashing, release, 2 bleeps, green light. The tag is now present. There you go. You start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. And the way you do that is ignition on, put your disarm or tag present, get your melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times, ignition off, pause for a second, ignition on, and get 5 bleeps. We're going to do that now. So ignition on, disarmed. So hit this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, pause for a second, key back on. There you go, 5 bleeps. So now we're just going to do something like this mute button 3 times. So if we now wait, there's the melody, repeat again to get a confirmation. System is now learnt. So if you turn the ignition off, I'm going to take the battery out of the tag to show you the new code. So just bear me a second. So the battery is now out of the tag. Turn the ignition on. If we've left it long enough, we shouldn't get a melody. No melody. Let's try the new code. There you go. Start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, finally, I'm just going to show you how to pair a tag and the way you pair a tag or the way you pair your phone. So if you're doing your phone, download an app called Starline Key. When you've downloaded it and you're starting to search, disarm the system first. So let's do it with the code. Receive our melody. There you go. Now hit this button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Key off. Key back on. 7 bleeps. That's now ready to learn a smartphone or a tag. Now I'm going to show you finally to put it in valet mode. So on this particular vehicle, to put it in valet mode and with the Starline i96, what you do is you disarm it and then hit one of these buttons 11 times. So we're going to do it now. So ignition on, disarm the system, get your melody. Then I think it's 11 times on this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key back on. 2 bleeps. That's now in valet mode. So obviously you don't have to give them a code, don't have to give them a smartphone, don't have to give them a tag. When you get the vehicle back, you can either use the smartphone, you can use the tag, or just put the code in. So we're going to put the code in on this one here. So ignition on, put the code in. There you go, double bleep. That's now protected again. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478, and this is our mobile number if you want to call me direct. Thank you very much. Bye bye.